AI is transforming every aspect of our lives, and it's high time school education evolves too. Centrado was at Didact 2024 to showcase their solutions that integrated STEM, AI, and robotics into learning. Let's check them out.
Our company's name is Centrado. We are into STEM education. We incorporated this company to bring a change in the education space. Our tagline says accelerating imagination, which really conveys our meaning, conveys our focus. So Centrado is focused towards accelerating the imagination of school children to make the children more creative and globally competitive. We have an entire range of products. So we basically want children to be very hands-on, and we want education to be more relevant to the current generation, Gen Z learners. And that's the reason why we have made our kits to be very unique and engaging for the children. We have kits right from the primary to the middle and the high school levels. For the primary, we have this art integrated kits. And for the middle and the high school, we have made it more technology based, like the AI robotics kits, right? And of course, the 3D design, 3D printer. Making use of the 3D printer, the children would be able to design their own humanoids. We have showcased most of our kits here. Some of the kits we have saved for tomorrow to bring a change. Like we would like to have a different set of kits tomorrow to showcase. But then this displays the entire core of our company.
So sometime around 2016, 2017, 7-8 years back, the focus was more on rote learning in schools. And the project-based education was not at all there. And school was also not giving any importance. So we wanted to bring a change. And that is how we should basically, we came out of this company, we founded this company, both of us together we founded this company. And now we are present in about 400 schools. Very selectively 400 schools. We also work very closely with various foundations, like Boeing Foundation, Infosys Foundation. And then our reach is not only confined to the international or private schools, we are also present in various rural schools also through this foundation. With the advent of all this Niti Aayog funding various Atal Tinkering Labs. So we do have presence in a lot of these rural schools in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Various Kendriya Vidyalayas. These are schools where we are present. We have a holistic lab in these schools, which are fully operational, functional, very successfully running. And we provide full-time trainers into these schools so that the continuity is maintained. Because the challenge is basically the sustainability part. So it's very easy to put up a lab, but to make it functional and then continuously run is something which is very challenging.
Future looks very rosy and bright as far as STEM is concerned, and also the future of students is concerned. It looks very, very promising. The projects that were done at the engineering college level are now being experimented in the school level. So we see a big change in the school education system.
AI-based learning, STEM, and robotics equip students with the skills they need for the future. These programs foster critical thinking and problem-solving abilities early on. Schools that invest in such innovative technologies can stand out from the competition. If you are planning to invest in such solutions, Profectus Capital School Funding Program is here to help. Reach out to us today to learn more.